Hi everybody, welcome to Beauty for the Win. This is a holiday gift set from Shoppers Drug Mart. I got this for $40 and the box kind of fell apart when I took it out, but I haven't opened it, so let's open it up. The retail value is over $100. Ooh, it's heavy. Wow, look at it. We have raw sugar, healing power hair mask. This has avocado, banana, coconut milk, and agave. This is a full-size QUO Beauty Shimmer Lip Oil. Super pretty. Glitter in there. Cetaphil Optimal Hydration Daily Glow Cream with hyaluronic acid. Gentle on the skin. We have a Butter Glow Physicians Formula Liquid Highlighter. CW Bags & Sons Energy Plus Moisturizer. Anti-fatigue, hypoallergenic, and unicellular algae. This is retinol and squalane solution. So this is an age-defying skin treatment. I believe it's a liquid oil consistency, cruelty-free, good size. Ooh, this one I'm really excited about. Look at this. Here it comes. It looks like whipped cream. It's Cocoa Cloud whipped shave butter, vanilla, coconut milk, argan oil, white tea, vitamin E boost by Truly Beauty. This alone is worth quite a few dollars, so really happy about trying this one. I haven't tried this before. Let's open it up actually and see what it looks like. Ooh, look at that whip. Magic Spell Potion 5-in-1 Primer. And that's by Jason Wu. We have QUO Beauty Lavender Soap. That smells really nice. We have Mustela No Rinse Cleansing Water with avocado. This is supposed to be a really good brand. I have heard of this before. We have Collagen Hydrogel Mask. OK Beauty. Full-size Vitamin Care Plus Raspberry and Rose Scent Deodorant from Dove. Smells really good. Ooh. Biolipid Restoring Body Lotion from Naturium, and this is a good size. Ooh. Every Man Jack Body Wash, and this is in sandalwood. I think this is our last item. It is. This is the Marcel Vitamin C plus PHA Brightening Cleanser with probiotics. Thanks for watching this. Subscribe for more beauty.